In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your newborn baby birth certificate in Manitoba, Canada. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Step 1, complete the birth registration. So if your baby is born in a hospital or health facility, you'll receive a registration of birth in Manitoba form as part of the registration of birth package provided by healthcare staff. From here, fill out the form accurately and completely. Return and complete the completed form to the hospital staff before you leave the facility. Now, if your baby was born at home, so you need to contact the Manitoba Vital Statistics branch to arrange for the birth registration. Ensure the form is filled out correctly and submit it to the Vital Statistics branch. Note, registrations should be completed within 5 days of birth or before leaving the health facility. Step 2, apply for a birth certificate. So after the birth is registered, you can apply for your child's birth certificate. This can be done online through the Manitoba Vital Statistics branch online certificate application portal. Now, the registration typically takes 6 to 8 weeks from the date of the birth.